This is the newest update of the house, the way it looks now. Looks a little bit better. And this is where you're going to live. Of course, we got a bunch of dirty dishes. I'm sorry. Let me see. Refrigerator. That. We got the table. A lot of room. And there's our doggy, Happy. I'm going to go this way. My paintings on the walls. The plant. There's our drawing room. Big table. Front door. Entrance. Big closet. And we'll go this way. That way. There's our piano. Our TV playing the Bible. And now we're going to go down the hallway. Here we go.